So here's a mock one that we did with old Susan Rockford. Now, you can brand a property any way you want, but I just threw in a whole bunch of different ways. You can actually showcase the features by putting up a script, writing on it. You can actually put your own type of music to it, put your name, your contact features in the bottom. You can brand it with your own logo at the bottom. Now, you've got to think about the sources that you might be putting this on because MLS and other services may not allow you to put your identification markers on there, but they will allow you to put the videos in. And imagine this, you're sitting there looking at the video right now and you've already developed a personal connection with it. Look, it sits on the water. You may not like a house on the water, but this might be the house for you. Or you might need a dock for your brand new boat. Perfect house for you. Can you see already how you can showcase properties and you can brand your results so that you can reach your target audience?